Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, this is what has been trending on the streets, and I hope that you have been catching up. My apologies for not coming and reporting everything on time. But your girl is here, and these are the things that I posted on my TikTok page regarding trending news. Why do I post on TikTok? TikTok, guys, is a bit quicker and things move. But yeah, let me bring everything, my opinions here on on YouTube, brother. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. But now I am back with a bang.
So guys, ring. Re se mo tsere senatla, se mo tsere senatla, se mo tsere senatla, prithu tsere ke senatla. O ring, re priti la yela. I can't sing to save my life. About Jesu what like today ropeling. I kona ngopela o tsela le hodimo. Ko sala shem. But nonetheless, Pretty and Lehasa are prehassering. Pretty and Lehasa are prehassering. Bona lele ka fela. Bara a lebere ke pila. Mara oksalayo. Ba fihlile go tshwantse ba fihle go teng. So guys, I love marriage. I love weddings. I love everything. So this is the conclusion of Prihasa when it comes to the lobola. We were all anxious, thinking Guti, all the things that are happening around, the noises in their ears will disrupt our happily ever after. But this story, love story, I so pretty. I so waluna. So now question gore, did Lehasa do the same mistake that he did with Ukwezi? Is he and Pretty married in committee of property? Let's discuss that part. Is history repeating itself for Lehasa? Or Hunale by saying, next us will pila. Catch up pila this week.